What are the pros and cons of buying a condo? Condos offer several advantages over renting or owning a single-family home, including ownership with extra amenities, lower maintenance, and affordability. Condos are a great choice for many empty nesters, seniors who want to downsize, and first-time home buyers looking for a starter home in expensive urban areas where standalone homes are scarce. Some condos provide access to added amenities like a swimming pool, dog park, or parking garage. Often, they also have reduced maintenance responsibilities, as the homeowners association usually takes care of shared amenities. Condos are generally less expensive than traditional homes and can be more accessible to first-time homebuyers with modest salaries, despite the inclusion of condo association fees. Owning a condo in many circumstances will include homeowners association, restrictions, and fees, less square footage, and less privacy. Condo living may not be suitable for those who do not want to pay additional costs or follow community rules. HOA rules can include restrictions on rentals and pets, and sometimes a monthly fee is required for the maintenance of common areas. Condos may also have limited private outdoor space, which can be problematic for larger families or those who value outdoor space. Additionally, shared walls and common areas can result in noise issues and limited privacy. The advantages and disadvantages of purchasing a condo vary depending on factors such as the location and type of condominium, the size of the complex, and the type of resident. Want to know more? Call us at 800-605-3128 and let Mortgage Dove be the wings that help you fly home.